What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mohit the Tech Geek, and today I'm going to show you a simple tutorial which is now going to be taking place in Python. Well, everyone knows Python. It's the most popular programming language, and this is also my first ever long form Python video. And today I'm going to show you something that many people might have not known. It's basically two things. One, the fact that you can run two or more programs at the same time. Even though I showed it to you in my previous short video, I'm gonna show it to you live here. And also second thing, multi-line comments, which I'm gonna cover in the later part of the video. But first, let's go and get started. So here I have got a Python script, and it has not only one, two, but five programs. The first program here is a function oriented program which is telling you to find the square of a given value that the user will input. The next one, factorial of a number. Next, true or false condition of a number. Fourth, it will be shifting of a list. And then the fifth one, to generate the first four numbers of the arithmetic progression by giving the initial value and the step value. Now let me try and run these programs. The thing is, if you have more than or one program, Python will not throw an error at all. It's surprising, but it's true. In fact, it runs very smoothly, and I don't know why. Well, it looks really impressive, right? Well, that's the case for small programs. Easy to read. I haven't seen yet how it happens with large programs, but that's a story for another day. Anyways, this is how the outputs of all the five programs came out. That's squaring of number, factorial of a number, Boolean condition, aka true or false, list entry shifting position, and then arithmetic progression. So on to the next part, that is multi-line comments. It's just simple. You just have to continuously put hashes for every line of your code. And that is so far the only method that has been found out when I researched about it. Now when I multi-hash comment the program, only that particular program that I hashed will be omitted. If you can see here, all of this is in red. That's the color of a comment in Python. Let me just put 6 here, 36, 6, 36. Factorial of a number, enter a number, I 120. True or false? Enter any number. True. Now this program will be omitted from the script. But by the way, let me just finish the last program. Series with initial value of 7 and step value 8, 7, 15, 23, 31. Same just applies to whichever program you are multi-commenting this. Sorry, it's multi-line commenting, not multi-commenting. In case you don't know what commenting is, it's basically just like extra pieces of an information for a programmer to understand what part of the code he is working on. When executed in a Python program, comments will not be run. They are basically like extra statements and are ignored. For example, if I'm going to comment to all these print statements, which are just normal print statements, which leave a space in between programs or commands, well, you know, they'll just get sandwiched into one single big chunk. For small programs, you can easily find out what is happening, but for large programs, that's not the case. That's why it's important to have comments, spacings, mm, and a lot of other stuff. Well, if you're a programmer, you know that. Okay, so it seems to be that much I can tell about these two things, and this is now where we come to the end of this tutorial. Yes, I know it's ended too soon, but it's so small. What else can come in it? Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to not only like my video but comment on it, share it to every single person across the world. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you gotta subscribe. It'll be really good. You'll be really appreciated. It'll also mean a lot to me and my channel, and also for you. Not only will my channel be benefited greatly, but also, I sorry, not only will my channel be benefited greatly, but also I will you will also get nice content on how to do tutorials, although that's very small amount of content. It runs for a small duration and has small topics on it. Mm, anyways, see ya. So there is another method to do the multi-line comments. It is like the triple apostrophe, and I'll show you how it's done. Let me pick a program. Will comment here. Also comment here. So selected this program to be in the multi-line comment. Oh, sorry. I think the keys must have not been jammed. Okay. So as you can see here, the four programs that have not been come under the triple comments, the triple string comments have not been omitted. They have been included. Only this particular program, this one alone was omitted from the out execution because of these. Okay, seems like with this we come to the end of this video. Seems like there's nothing else to be told. I think I've covered everything. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Until then, see ya.